Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the important topic in reasoning, that is a distance and directions. Before studying to distance and directions, let us study the basic directions. Which are the basic directions? There is a north, south, east and west are the main directions, and northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are the sub directions, which are very much known to all of us. Now to study this topic I will explain with the two examples, and on the basis of that two examples you will be able to understand the topic called as a distance and directions. So let us take the example. What is the first example? Example is that Ram walked towards east direction and took right turn and then walked some distance. Let us take, suppose here is the initial position of Ram. Now, from his initial position, Ram walked towards east direction. So, he has walked towards east direction. So, let us say here is the original position of Ram and he walked towards the east position. So, he has walked towards east direction, walked some distance. Then, after east direction, after the traveling towards east direction and took right turn. Now whenever he is at this position, he has taken the right turn. So as per that, the right turn will be this. So now he is at this position. Okay, then what up to here we have completed. Now what is next statement? Again he took left turn and traveled some distance. Now from here he took the left turn. Now he is facing towards the south. So if he can take the right turn, then he will move towards the east direction. So this is the final position of the Ram. And what he has asked in the question, in which direction the Ram in his starting point means this is the final position of the Ram and this is the initial position of the Ram, and he has asked in the question that in which direction the Ram in his starting point. So from his starting point he is at it's the southeast direction. So you can how you can judge, let us say this starting point as this point, and now on the basis of that point this point is towards the southeast direction. So the answer for this question will be the southeast. Okay, hope you have cleared the concept called as a direction. Now to understand again in a deeper meaning of this topic, let us discuss about the another example on this topic. What is another example? Let us discuss about it. I hope you have cleared about this first example. Now let us move towards the second example. Okay, so in second example what they have asked, that they have said that Ramesh walked 15 meters towards south from a fixed point. Let us say that this is the fixed position of Ramesh. Okay, now from his fixed position he walks 15 meters towards the south. So he has moved towards the downward direction. So he has moved the 15 meter from his original position towards the south direction. From there, in next statement what they have said, from there he goes 12 meters towards the north. Okay, now from here he has gone to 9 to 12 meter north. So from this direction, which is the north direction, will be the upward direction. So how much distance he has traveled? He has traveled 12 meters towards the north. So I will mark with another pen that 12 meters he has traveled. So this will be the, let us say he has traveled 20 meter towards the north. Now next what happened? What they have said, toward 12 meter towards north, and then 4 meter towards the west. You can see here this is the point, and from here he has traveled 4 meter towards the west direction. So he has traveled in this direction. So how much distance he has traveled? 4 meter. Now towards west. Then what they have asked, how far and in what direction is from the fixed point. So they have asked that the Ramesh is in which direction from its initial position. Okay, in which direction he is in initial position? You can say here, this is the original position of the Ramesh, and this is the final position of the Ramesh. So he is at, let us assume that this point as a this point. So you can see, compare here that this point and this point, this point is like a southwest direction. So first answer for this first question is in what direction? Then it is the southwest direction. And what they have asked in another part of this question, they have also asked that how far, means how much distance he is from his initial position. Let us, for this point, let us say that this is the final point. So this total distance is a 15 meter. This total distance is a 15 meter. Okay, and this much distance is the 12 meters. So remaining distance will be the 3 meter. 15 minus 12, that is the 3 meter. And so how much will be this distance? So they have asked in how much distance is this. So by using the simple Pythagoras theorem, that what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus side square. So this is the right angle here is forming. So what is the hypotenuse, which is we have to find? Then hypotenuse means what? The distance that we want to calculate. So hypotenuse square, base is 4, this much distance is the 4, so 4 square plus side or height, you can say here, this is the 3 square. So 4 square is a 16 plus 3 square is a 9. So this is 25, which is hypotenuse square. Take the square root on both sides. So hypotenuse we got is equals to 5. So this is what the distance at which the Ramesh is from his initial position. So final answer will be he will be in southwest direction, and how far? That is the 5 meter. I hope you have understood the topic called as a distance and direction. So I hope you understood the topic. Don't miss to subscribe my channel and like to this video, so and get more updates about this topic. So thank you so much.